Now, as you can see on my screen, right, with new ClickBank account, I have made over $5,500 and over here $4,900 in a previous week. Now, this is one of my new accounts, and why I'm showing you this, as you can see over here, daily income, okay? The reason why I'm showing you this is because if you're a beginner in 2026, and if you want to have certain results, meaning $100 to $500 per day in net profits with ClickBank affiliate marketing and Google pay-per-click ads, then all you have to do is connect with me one-on-one. Why? Because as you can see over here, right, you can connect with me one-on-one. There's my Instagram, WhatsApp, email, and Facebook Messenger. I have traveled to 70 countries thanks to ClickBank affiliate marketing and promoting weight loss offers, digital products online, right? And the reason why I'm showing you this is because what ClickBank affiliate marketing can allow you to do in 2026 for yourself and your own family if you take this seriously and if you actually want to have results. As you can see, when I work with someone one-on-one, we connect together over the Zoom call, we get Google or Facebook ad campaign up and running together one-on-one, as you can see over here, right? And from there, we get up and running because in 2026, there are 14 billion searches every day on Google, okay? People are searching for solutions to their pains and problems that they are dealing with every single day, 24/7. And my friend, as you watch this video, if you set up a Google pay-per-click ad campaign for $5 to $10 a day, you could be getting exposure and ads, okay, targeting audiences that are dealing with those problems and offering them solutions for their pains and problems with ClickBank affiliate marketing, okay, and making up to 90% affiliate commissions. So as you watch this video, okay, this is for you. If you're a real action taker, if you want results in 2026, if you're done wasting money on ads with zero conversions, and if you're tired of getting clicks but zero sales, okay? So if you actually want simple system that can allow you to follow it step by step, you can spend 30 minutes a day setting it up and get profitable campaigns. So if you want to know more, let me know, okay? There's my Instagram, WhatsApp, email, and Facebook Messenger.